The Great Flood 2016 here in French Settlement, Louisiana, or what I like to call round 2, since we had all that crazy flooding in March. Although this is much worse and we haven't even crested yet. Before it didn't come over the road near us. Now it is. And it's flowing pretty good over the road. And all the boats that everybody thought were going to be fine on the bank are starting to get a little bit of water. Behind us is flooding. It's very surreal, crazy, any word you want to describe it. But we're still high and dry, but it hasn't even crested yet, so I guess we shall see tomorrow where our fortunes lie. Just one more sweep around. You can hear the generators in the background of people starting up their generators because we're about to lose water and most likely power. Oy vey.